y'all, it's your girl, it's your fave, Jst Dej, and I am back with another video. So today I'm actually going to be doing my room tour video. It's actually really late right now. I just got in not too long ago, me and Jamel, from kind of like a adventurous day. So I just decided while I still look good, still look decent, I'm gonna go ahead and make this video. And actually while my room is clean because it's dirty all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. But before I start, make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And just a disclaimer, I do upload videos now 3 times a week. It's gonna be Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make sure that y'all stay tuned for those. But let's get right into this video. Alright, so when I first walk into the room, I'll just go this way. So I have this really nice lengthy body mirror. This I actually got from Kirkland's. I think it was on sale for like $100. Like, I love this mirror, y'all. Like, it's so clutch. I just love that it's like a full out body mirror and it's really big. So I actually had to just like lean it up against my wall. So that's how I have that listed. I have that laying. I think it was like $100. Here I have these little things that I got from Burlington. It says love you to the moon and back. So I just put those up there. These I got, or this I got from Walmart. I think these are like $10 or something. And I've had these for a while, since I was in like my first apartment. This is just my ring light. It's not plugged up right now, obviously. Then I just have like my calendar. This is where I plan out like all my videos. I write it down on my calendar so I know that what I have to do for the day. So that's why it says tour for this room. Also, I got these shelves from IKEA. I think they were like $3 or $4 a piece. I got these cute little things from Burlington, and it just says you had me at contour and lash out, which I think is super cute. I got this little board also at Burlington, and it's just like fur on here. You can put pictures here also. I had some, but because I have been getting so much jewelry, I just really don't have anywhere to put it. I just have like my little necklaces and a few pair of earrings. This says too glam to give a damn, and I got this from Burlington as well. Not sure how much it was, but it was all pretty cheap. I have this shelf. Actually, no, let me go here. I have this ottoman that I got. I don't remember where I got the ottoman, but I think it was like $50 or $60. And it's just like a black ottoman, and it also lays back and it's really comfortable too. So I just have people sitting here. So when people come to visit me, this is pretty much where they sit. I have these little cute like pillowcases, y'all. These are so fire. Let me see if I can. Okay, see like how this side is white. You can just flip it down, and these are just pillowcases, and I got these off of Amazon, so I'll be sure to put those down in the description box. And you can actually flip like the little lashes up. It's really cute. So I love those. I just have 2 of those pillows here. Here I have this shelf that I got from IKEA. I got a little board down here. It says dreams don't work unless you do, which is pure facts, y'all. Dreams don't work unless you do. So put that work in, period. Then I have these cute little books. I got these books, I think off of I want to say off of Facebook, I think. And this lady just actually makes them. So I got one that says Chanel. It says Black is Beautiful. And this one is just kind of like a rhinestone book. And they're like actual books. And I think these are like $60. So I'll see if I can put this in the description box below as well too. I also got this from Burlington. It just says XOXO. Just like a little, you know, yeah, little decoration. So that's super cute, and it goes with the theme of my room, which is really like black and gray and white, and you know, silver to make it pop for real. So I have this that's silver, and it says wake up and makeup, which is super cute. So I love this. Here I kind of just have my perfumes, you know, my little smell goods that I wear. You already know we got the what, the Pretty and Peach. We got the Victoria's Secret, Magic in the Air. What that say? At the beach. They all smell really good, y'all. Also, my boyfriend just got me a Pandora bracelet not too long ago for my birthday. And he's also bought me like the little charms, him and my mom. So now I have these little bags here, just like really cute for like decoration. And then at the tip top, we got the Queen, you feel me? We got the Queen D up there. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let me see. There we go. And I'll show you what it looked like when it's turned off, because it's lit up right now, but you can't really see here. Let me see. That's how it looks with the light turned off. So it's really cute, and I got that off of Amazon as well. And I think I got these from Walmart, so they're really cute, and they just have the little bedazzles on them, and I just, you know, like them to be closed. Then I come over here and I have 2 more pictures. The first one says refuse to be anything but successful, and my mom got this for me, and I really love it. Like, I read this every day, y'all. Like, this is literally the motivation for everything that I do on this YouTube channel. Then under that, you know, I'm bad and bougie, you feel me? So I got the, you feel me, Chanel No. 5 Paris perfume picture, and I think this is also from Burlington. It's super cute. Okay, so now over here, which the lighting is, I feel like it's kind of being like a little bit weird, but here is my little vanity, y'all, which I love and adore so much. These little lights here I got from Amazon. I think that these were like 50 bucks, I think, which is actually pretty good. The mirror that's in the middle I actually got for free. I got it off the marketplace on Facebook. I love the marketplace, and that's where I get like so much of my stuff. But I got this off of the marketplace, and it was free, so I really only paid for the lights. So that was like a really good deal. Up here I have this little vinyl, which I love so much, y'all. It says lashes make everything better, and that's a pure fact, because what, you can go from nothing to something with some lashes. So this is so bomb to me, and her eyebrows are on fleek, so I really love that. Then I just have like my little desk. My desk I actually got for like 40 bucks, and I think I also got this off the marketplace. Like, y'all, I don't be trying to play full price for nothing, so I really like love this. And then in my drawers I just have like my makeup wipes and brushes. I have some setting powder, you know, creams and everything. And here I just have like my palettes, my highlight, you know, my contour palettes and stuff like that. Down here is just like my miscellaneous stuff, like my extra makeup bags, my lipsticks and lip glosses, my setting sprays, some foundations. And then in my bottom drawer, it's honestly just like my notebooks, like notes and stuff, and things like that, just miscellaneous. On here, I have my little, I keep like my concealers and like my blushes and stuff in here. This I also got from Burlington. I want to say it was like $5. It's really cute. I just have like my eye brushes and stuff. Then I pretty much got like the whole like little set, and this is just like my face brushes, my vanity mirror. This I've had for some years. My boyfriend bought it for my birthday, so I'm not sure how much that was, but these also I think all were like $5 to $10 a piece. There's my beauty blenders and everything, and it's just in like a little jar, and I think I got that from the dollar store. Now I just have like my laptop here, my cell phone obviously because I'm recording right now, and my chair. I don't remember where I got this. If I can remember, I'll put it in the description below. But I love it, y'all. It's so comfortable. Like, it's so dope. And it just fits everything so perfect. So, I actually really love it. And, yeah, I really love it. So, I'm going to go over here and I'll show y'all kind of like what's in my closet. This is kind of where I keep like my extra stuff, like my clothes and stuff, because I have so much and my boyfriend don't be having room for anything. Like, as y'all can see, I have all of these shoes. There go my heels. These are kind of like my gym shoes, my Jordans and stuff. Let me know if y'all want me to do like a little tour. Actually, no, not a tour. Let me know if y'all want me to do like kind of like a what's in my closet thing, because I have so many sneakers, y'all, like, and y'all know, y'all already know I be coming with the heat, like a straight heat in these boxes. I also have like my own hair company where I do edge control and kind of like lashes and bundles, frontals, everything like that. So I just kind of have little samples for people to kind of feel and kind of like get into if they come and visit. I just have like my little bags. I have my business cards. I use these to package my lashes and these to label my stuff. And then up here is just like some of the new stuff that I just bought. I might do a mini makeup haul. Also comment down below if y'all want to see that. Cause this is just some of like my makeup stuff, my little Juvia's Place. I didn't get to do a review on because that foundation was not even my color, so that's a whole nother video, y'all. But that's just like all my extra like clothes and stuff. I got my little wig head down there for when I make wigs and stuff. I got my wigs and everything up in those bags up there too. But yeah, y'all, like that is pretty much my YouTube slash, you know, my little vanity room. And I love it so much. This is like the first room that was finished in the house. We'll still be on that house tour too, but this is like the first room that I finished, y'all. Like, I had to get her up, and I love it so much. So yeah, I used to always see the Vanity impression ones, and they was like $200 or $300, and I put this whole thing together literally for like $50. So it's honestly like so ideal, y'all, and I love it so much. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. That is my whole vanity slash my YouTube room, and I actually really love it, y'all. Like, I literally put this whole vanity together with like almost nothing. Like, it's amazing. So I really love it. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, and be ready for the next video. And until next time, y'all, peace.